Hi creatives! So today I'm setting up my Christmas tree. This is my first big Christmas tree. It's 7 feet tall and I'm really happy and excited. I think the reason I'm most excited is because this tree is actually for my little one and my cat. I have been imagining how they will react when they see it for the first time. I didn't record the whole process, just little moments because I wanted to actually enjoy setting it up. I'm doing this slowly. I really wanted to be present while setting it up. This is my favorite part, opening the branches one by one. It feels like the tree is slowly coming to life. I loved these frosted tips and pine cones. I wanted a very calm, natural Christmas look this year. Even without ornaments, it already feels like Christmas in this room. I honestly can't wait to see my baby's face and my cat's curiosity when they will see it. I will decorate it slowly over the next few days, but for now, this feels really special. Thanks for being here and sharing this little moment with me. Like it? Kichmishti?